Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog! And it's been a while since the last time na pag-vlog. Sobrang tagal. I think March pa yung last na vlog, diba? And how are you guys? Sana everything is fine with you. Same here. Same. Naglaylo lang, na busy lang. Sobrang daming ganap. But everything is fine. Thank you, Lord. And sana kayo din. And we're here right now sa Nayak, sa apartment ng brother ko. And we're here sa Upstate and we're planning to go to a street fair. I'll show you guys how it looks like here in Upstate, and then kung may mabibili tayo, then good. Then kung wala. But after that we're gonna go to a what do you call this? We're gonna watch Final Destination with the family. Okay? So I'll show you around. Bye. Daming mga tinda today. Ay, ito mga putin to. Iba talaga pang feeling pag nandito ka sa may Upstate. Parang iba yung vibes. Pero daming food. We're gonna look everything later. We're just gonna go to a coffee shop. Buy some coffee. Cool. Dami. Different food, guys. Fudge it. May funnel cakes. Very nice.
Could you do that?
Nag-tutor.
Hello.
Ako yung tutor.
Parang
Parang kayo.
Cute. Ang laki niya, guys.
Oh, very nice.
So cute. Ano naman to? Aso? Nagbibinta siya. Sabi ko nagbibinta. Nagbibinta siya ng aso. Char. Ang cute naman, Jane. Yung keychain.
I told him to get the eyes that aren't wonky. He's like, I like the weird one.
Coffee shop? My God, the root beer soda float. That's a lot of sundae. Oh my gosh. You're so generous. Look at that. Thank you so much. Got it. Tama ba?
Oh, gotcha. Oh yeah! I think she told me.
Oh, really? Really? You gotta read the fine print. So what do you know that I'm gonna find front of
Baka dahil content creator, kaya di adaminan ah.
Yes.
Iniba lang nila yung pangalan. Tapos yung shirt nila, bakit pang dare? Alam mo yung design ng dare?
Yes.
Alfresco.
To keep the may highway na dadaanan.
It's pepperoni with hot
Honey.
honey. Or very
Not
good.
hot.
Very, very good. We have some sparkling water here. Soda.
Gusto ko nung
Pepe.
It's
What?
spaghetti
Ako dahil, Casio.
Dude,
Spaghetti
ito naman.
Pepe.
Binablog ko to guys. Hindi naman dami kasi hindi lang kami kasi nalaman nila kasi ng content creators.
Tsaka Pilipino. Ang daming cheese.
Daming cheese
Ang
guys.
daming pictures o dahil lang kami, nag-vlog kami.
Parang nagutang
Yun yung paulit-ulit.
Anong title nga?
Casio Apo dahil. Casio Apo dahil.
Basta I think feeling ko carbonara lang siya.
Hindi nga go.
And for our dessert,
Kasi
this is the olive oil cake.
Ano sabi niya?
Olive oil
Parang may ganyan sa sa Starbucks nun. Sige mo lang. Ano yung nasa taas? Cream cheese?
It's probably
Cream cheese frosting.
but
No, ay.
like with butter. Tama ba?
Kamusta?
Is it with butter?
Matamis, matamis.
No, it's not. It's not.
Pili ko hindi. It's really good. Ano yung...
We're done eating and now we're walking again, guys. Ano yun? Dami nilang mga tinitinda-tinda dito. Ang cute naman. Mga ano. Fake. Fake na fake. Pero cute naman. Ganda ng weather today, guys. Sarap ng weather. Ang dami nito, ang haba. Dami na ng tao.
Cute naman ni Elio. May sarili ng movie.
Hi guys, so we are here na sa my theater. Dito, AMC Theater dito sa Nayak. So, malapit kala JP. Sa my brother ko. And then, we're waiting for our food. Siyempre, gutom na naman para may snack habang kumakain. And, this is my OOTD. So, yun, we're just waiting for the food. And we're gonna go inside. And then we're gonna watch the Final Destination. I'll let you know kung okay ba siya. Pero sabi nila, hindi daw siya super scary. We'll see. See you later. Bye. So we're back home after like an hour travel. Kasi usually from Nayak to go back here sa Queens, it may take only up to like 30 minutes actually to 45. Pero dahil nga sa traffic, siguro kasi Sunday na nga, may pasok na nagsisibalikan na yung mga tao. And yun, umabot ng 45 to 1 hour. But we're back home. And I'm just gonna do like a real quick haul nung binili namin. Kasi meron kaming nakita sa isang dun sa street fair ng clothing brand. I wasn't able, yun nga lang, hindi ko na video kasama sa video yung yung stall nila. But ayun, nakakatuwa kasi Filipino couple sila. Tapos they have this brand na kung tinatawag is like this, Inspire brand or Inspire brand with the double R. Yun, it's a clothing brand. And they were originated from New Jersey actually daw. They're based on sa New Jersey. Tapos from 2021 pa sila. Meron silang website. I'm just gonna put here the their IG profile para makita nyo rin. And yun lang, parang natuwa kami kasi ang cute ng mga colors and actually nung mga designs ng clothes. Sabi nung guy, actually yung missus niya or yung si ma'am ang nagde-design nung they're young couple like us also. And then yun nga, sila mismo nag-design nung clothing, so sobrang cute. And this one, we have this one for Julia, for my niece. My voice matters. And it's size. They have different sizes actually. This one is good for 5 to 6 years old. And it's $20, I think. They have different designs actually. Ang ganda ng cloth. Sobrang soft. I think it's like cotton. And sobrang hindi siya manipis. Hindi siya, feeling ko, ang ano lang niya sa pakiramdam, malamig. And also for Alex, we have, where is it? We have this one naman, syempre. This one, it says, I stand up for others. Yeah, very nice. In green color. This is a 3T size. Very nice ng design, diba? Diba? Ang cute na sila nag-design yan. And so, we should support locals and syempre, yung patulad natin, Filipinos. And of course, may nakita rin kami for me. Bumili si Jenny. Bumili ako and si Jenny din. For herself. Ako bumili ako pa for me and John. This is mine. I got already for the size of large para medyo loose din. Tapos yun, maghiraman kami ni John. It's just pursuit. I don't know the Japanese, but I don't know. Pero yun. Kasi si Sir, yung isang sa mga couple, isa sa couple is, yung Mr. He's half Japanese and half Filipino. So, yun. And it's very nice yung quality ng t-shirt. Pati yung color. Parang feeling ko sobrang breathable siya. And, yeah, it's 100% cotton. And yes, it's made in the USA. Very nice. Very nice. Ganda na color pa. May mga medyo earth tones siya. Earth colors. Or pastel. So, very nice. And this is another one naman for John. Pinili ko to sa kanya. Blue. Nakasulat na Inspire New York. And, yan. Meron sa likod din nakasulat. The Math of Life. Positive love. Negative comparison. Times gratitude. Divide expectations equal happiness. Equals to happiness. Tapos yun. Yan. And for Jenny naman, those yung mga clothings for adult, parang siya, $30 daw siya. And this one, same kay Jenny, same kay Jen, but different lang yung back. So nice. And she also bought this kind of color, same color, pero different design. Yan, may dog, which is cute. So nice. So good for summer. So guys, if you guys you can just go to their website and support them. And yan, sana good luck. Sana lumago yung business nila. And I think you guys can see them sa mga street fairs din. So mas okay. Ayun. So overall yun lang nabili namin. Ang dami namin lang nakain. Nag-enjoy naman kami sa movie. Sobrang morbid. Sobrang ganda. As in, dami na ng Final Destination. Siyempre, ang tagal na nung last na Final Destination movie na napanood natin for sure. Pero, itong movie na to, must watch, guys. Sobrang, like, what? Puro ganun, puro takip ng mata. Like, what? Sobrang mag-enjoy kayo. Pero, yun lang, worth it naman siya. And, yun. Sobrang saya naman this weekend. After those sobrang stressful last week, but everything will be okay with God's grace and blessing. So sana ganoon din kayo guys. Hope everything is fine and you guys are all happy and healthy and you guys are all safe every day. And God bless everyone and thank you for watching my video. Sorry na natagalan na mag-video. I know it's been a while. It's been months and sobrang na-busy lang. Sobrang dami ginagawa. And I hope you guys still support my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys soon. And God bless. Take care. So guys, look, I'm just gonna show you yung clothing. That's right, sinuot ko lang. And it's very nice and comfy. Ang ganda ng neckline, hindi siya feeling ko madaling masira or masira-sira pag nilabahan. And ang kapal ng cloth. And yeah, it's very nice, very comfortable. Hindi siya mainit. And ang ganda ng design. So, guys, if you have time, please do visit their website or their IG profile so that you can check out their items. Meron din sila mga bags, meron din sila mga hats or sombrero. They have different sizes for adults and also for kids. So just try it out, guys. And yun lang. Very nice. And it's good for summer. Different colors. Bye!